Hey, get off that chair.
Horton, here's the who. Okay. Well, apparently Dalton's opening here.
A tractor!
Oh, what is it? What is it? Turn around. What? What?
He's got a tractor.
Watch that. Sissy's turn. Look, watch.
Whoa.
Hold on. Caitlin.
Give me
Hold on, turn over here so me and Mom pop off and then we can see you.
Hey, we can't see ya.
Turn this way so they can see you. Come on.
Oh, man.
Look at me, Dalton.
What?
Dalton, look at me.
What is it? Cool.
What is it? Puppy.
Oh, you paint a puppy.
Ooh.
That's cool,
That's
isn't it?
my turn. My turn. That's my turn, Mommy.
Okay, well here,
I'll open it.
okay, we'll open it. Go sit over here and open it. But me mom's getting pictures.
I don't know how you can get a picture of that big old horse in front of you.
Open it, Dalton. Whoa, get away. One at a time. Watch Dalton.
Another truck.
Whoa, it's a dump truck.
A big. Another movie. You got that.
That was for you.
Hey.
Oh, Legend of Guardians.
Oh.
Hold on. Here, Dalton. Open
Hey,
this one.
please.
Let me see.
Hey, I'm
Open
opening
this one.
mine. Oh my gosh, it's slushy right
You
there.
knew that was for you, didn't you?
What is it, darling?
I found this slushy maker in the car.
She said, who's
Oh.
that for, Katie? I said, I can't tell you. No, wait. No. Open this.
And it was for you.
Yeah,
Lucky girl.
Look, it's a sleeping bag.
Oh my god. Dalton.
See? Look, okay.
Dalton right here.
Hold on. One at a
Dalton
time.
right here.
Yes, open this one.
I got one too. Oh, that's a secret. Katie, why don't you put that in there something? K-A-I-T-A-Y.
Just open like that.
A-I-T.
Just upside down.
Katie, this is from you.
Open it. Yep.
The movie for me. Tractor
What is it, Dalton?
It's a tractor movie.
Oh,
Katie's on it.
it does. Well, hold on. We can watch it later. Oh, that was to you and Dalton. Look, Dalton's ant farm. What are you doing?
What is he doing?
You can go there.
I'm gonna order some ants off the internet, and we put them in there, and they eat that stuff in there. So look.
They eat stuff in there. Big Mom.
Yes.
They eat the stuff in there.
Oh, cool.
Ants.
Hey, and it lights up too, Caitlin.
I want an ant for both.
Dalton. Here,
Sissy's turn.
Look at him.
Spider-Man. Oh, look. Candyland.
What is Candyland, isn't it?
I did Candyland game.
What you got, Dalton?
I got a Candyland game.
Oh, cool, Caitlin. We'll have to play
these are
later.
boxing gloves. Box.
There's two in there too, you know, I think something.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody else.
So that one's for Selena. Open it, Dalton.
I'm sure.
Well, hold on, we'll do that one. Well,
After.
I bet I'll throw this one to the side too.
Tractor blanket.
Oh, look at it, he pushed it.
Oh my goodness.
Look, Dalton, it's a
He wants
tractor
toys.
blanket.
Katie. Katie.
Where'd you find
It's a
that?
tattoo maker.
Mima, tattoo.
Whoa.
Uh-oh.
Look at all those
That's the
cookies.
kind of tattoos Mima likes, the kind that wash off.
Yours too.
Look at him. Aubrey, look. Aubrey.
A puzzle. Help for the baby there.
Oh, not.
Help for Ruby.
Cute. It's spray